Good morning, all of you. I am Dr. Dharamveer Gujar, Assistant Professor in Geography subject, Department of Geography, MSc College Bharatpur. Now, my topic is global warming and acid rain. Today, acid rain and global warming enhance acidity average just like pH below 5.0 and rain naturally weakly acidic from dissolved carbon dioxide gas and product of industrial air pollution problem in regions of downwinds sulfate aerosols conceals of greenhouse warming and greenhouse gases reducing facilitated by sulfur dioxide gas emissions tradition and the global warming and acid rain key points first of all pH value, then sulfur dioxide, then from coal, oil, nitroxide oxide from automobiles, electric generations, problem in regions, downwinds, etc. And major causes of acid rain and global warming, the electric generators, refineries, it's like petrol refineries, gases refineries, and how acid rain is formed. एसिड रेन किस तरीके से बनता है एसिड रेन फॉर्म बनने के पीछे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड गैस नाइट्रोक्साइड गैस देन upper clouds acid rain formation then clouds and rain component and again mixture 2 and 3 and Varsa wise gases tolerance of fish of acidity the effect impact of climate change human and environmental process through acid rain. Acid rain tolerance for fish to acidity effected of acid rain on lakes range from no effect no completely rain variable from lakes to lake basic rocks then fish kill fish in lake destroy plant stonework contribution to forest dieback decline buffering temporarily by basic soils sulfate aerosolic conceals of greenhouse gases reduce facility by sulfur dioxide gas acid rain on structure accelerated decay of stonework rains finish on car and other paint work decay of stone affected on marble forest dieback many causes of dieback sad insect climate acid rain contribution leaf damage nutrient enhance of acidity 5 average pH below 5.0 a production of industrial air pollution problems in regions downwind sulfate aerosol coal है northern hemisphere continent by day global effect much less than CO2 indicate warming the sulfate aerosol and global warming sulfate sulfur dioxide gas sulfate aerosol then acid rain Sulfate aerosol reflects sunlight, cools the earth, part offsets carbon dioxide, CO2. Cooling our NH continue by day. Estimated contribution to global warming. Global warming estimated compared highly CO2, CH4 in methane, nitrous oxide, N2O or hollow center. Stratosphere, ozone, troposphere, spirit, etc. Regulation of emissions, large point source, command and control. Global warming and acid rain impact between two difference of controlling the limitation of the acid rain. The traditional approach, made clean up technology, accept best efforts, market incentives, novel approach, Clear Air Act 1990, allowance required for actual emissions, open market for trading allowance, mandate total allowance issues, and application to sulfur SO2. Use unit electric utility allow my blanket for further use, but Congress में set total emission. थैंक यू। इसी प्रकार जो हमारे जैसे एसिड रेन और ग्लोबल वार्मिंग आपस में किस प्रकार से प्रभावित एक दूसरे से संपर्क है। जब अम्लीय वर्षा ऊपर से नीचे जब होती है तो सर्वप्रथम वो क्या है कि जो हमारी सनलाइट्स है उसको प्रभावित करती है। सनलाइट्स प्रभावित होते ही जो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग है यानी कि वैश्विक उष्णता है वो प्रभावित होता है, क्योंकि सौर की जो किरणें हैं उन किरणों को प्रभावित करता है, और जब किरणें प्रभावित होती हैं तो वो सीधा सीधा तापमान, वायुदाब और वहाँ की वर्षा, वहाँ की जलवायु इत्यादि को प्रभावित करती है। इसी के साथ में जो वैश्विक उष्णता है, जलवायु परिवर्तन है, ये सभी एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए संबंधित प्रकरण हैं, विषय हैं, जो कि आज वर्तमान के समकालीन समय के लिए बहुत ही उपयोगी और मार्मिक विषय है। धन्यवाद।